like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with November's Allure. Now, if you're not familiar with Allure, it costs $25, and that includes your tax. You get 3 full-size items. And they can be anything, but I think they say you don't get duplicates or something like that. But this is the one I would get even if I didn't have a channel. And I say that every month. This is the one I would get. And you open it up. Of course, this is like that. You get the book explaining your items and what they're for. And so we'll just start with, okay, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's brow definer. That's what I got it. And this is the color I got. And that's the color I got, which is, I think it was the darkest color that they were doing. It gives you a very fine line there. And then on this end, you have a spoolie. And let me do this again. Let's see. So you can make them. So there's that. That's your drawing. I usually just end up using my eyeliner because it's easier. And that is $26. And we received full size. Yeah, I think that's the only size they make of it, so. Okay. Then we got Kylie Cosmetics. And it's okay, this is, what's it say? It says $21 for 0.1 ounce. What did we get? Yeah, this is full size. So this is $21 here. So this just about paid for your box. Just this. Now I know everybody's with Kylie and all the Kardashians. You love them or you hate them. Personally, it's kind of dry. It's kind of dry. Yep. So there's that. What is... It's matte. I can't read it. It's too small. Anyway, there's that. That's $21. Then we got Obagi Kinetin Hydrating Cream. Why you'll love it. And this is full size. And this is $62. So this is twice what you paid for the box. Here we go. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oops. That's what it looks like. And just, and that's the consistency. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. So there's that. And that's $62 value. And then we have Fenty. And this is $140 for 75 milliliters. And we got 10 milliliters in this box, which is basically I would call it a travel size. It's a kind of fragrance you want to cozy up with all winter. This is a blend of warm musk and rose with a touch of wintry tangerine. Feels as comfy and seems as expensive as perfect cashmere sweater. You know, the kind Rihanna would wear. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I have been wanting to try this. And I do like the smell of it. And I usually don't like musk. Usually if it says musk or patchouli, I just move on. But I like that. I do like that. Yeah, I do like that. My sister won't be getting that one. I give her that Poets of Berlin every time I get it, because to me it smells like dead Poets of Berlin. She just laughs. She says, I like it. And she loves that commodity milk. Okay, so then we get this. This is Erborian Skin Therapy Multi-Perfecting Night Oil Serum. And this is full size also, and it's $59. Now I'll do all the math and I'll put it on the screen what our value is versus, you know. But this is full size, and it's one of these. Let's see if I can. There you go. And it's one of these, you know, with the dropper, and it's an oil. So there's that one, and it's it. Why you'll love it. This brings together the best parts of an oil, instant hydration, and a serum. Tons of active ingredients like soothing centella, asiatica, and antioxidant green tea. And one formula that when applied at night makes skin feel smoother and bouncier come morning. So there's that. And that's full size. So, and I'll tell you what, that Fenty, I normally spray 4 sprays on my shirt, because I always put it on my clothes, because where I do have so many allergies, I do that so I won't have an allergic reaction, hopefully. But I also do that because it lasts longer. It stays in your clothes and it lasts longer. So, okay, then this is Miche Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. And it's $23 for 7.5 ounces. And we got no, here it is. We got 2 ounces. So just be aware of that. And I'll do the math, how much it's worth and stuff on the screen. But it's the formula in this little black bottle makes excellent argument for adding mousse to your daily routine. It spreads easily and gives hair tons of body, no blowout required. Which I don't ever. I wash my hair, condition my hair, get out of the bathroom, out of the shower, and I brush my hair. That's pretty much it. Sometimes I'll put a leave-in conditioner on it, but that's about it. So I might try that. Back in the day, I used to use mousse a lot, but I haven't for a long time. But it is a lot lighter than the leave-in conditioners. I've noticed that. Okay, then we have this. This is Eva Nye NYC Lift Off Volumizing Hair Mask, Deluxe Sachet, or Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Magic. You get either or. I got Main Magic is what I got, the 10-in-1. And while you'll love it, I'm skeptical of in-shower treatments that promise results akin to styling products. But these masks made her convert. They give hair so much body and frizz-free shine, it looks like you used a volumizing mousse or oil. And the full size on this one would be $16 for 250 milliliter, and you got 20 milliliter in here. So that's my Allure. Yeah, you can always get your money's worth and then some. But like I always say, they do a little bit higher step-up brand than Ipsy, I do believe. In my opinion, they do. And you're getting 3 full-size items. Now, if you're getting Ipsy's box, that's $30, and you get all full size. So I may switch to that after the first year, because quite honestly, I just don't reach for the samples. I just don't. So anyway, that's my Allure for November. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'd love to have you back. Come on back, join us. Bye.